In this video we are going to cover the topic of creating a new website or Facebook page and adding additional pages to it. So to create a new website or new project, you can click create new website directly from your landing page after you log into your account, or you can click on my website where you can see your existing projects, and you can first of all you can verify that you have enough hosting spots. If you don't have, you would have to upgrade your TopSiteToGo account. Now, if you have enough hosting spots, obviously I have here, because my marketing for business account is capable to take 50 websites and I have only one spot occupied. So I'll click create new website button, and it leads me to template selection form. Of course, I can choose, if I'm professional, I can choose to start building everything from blanks, from scratch, and this is how all the templates are built in our system. But if I just want to create my website or Facebook page just from template, probably I'm going to just pick a template here, and I'm going to select one of these templates, like this one, let's say. I can preview template how it looks like it in HTML without a Facebook wrapper, okay, by clicking preview. And let's say I like it, and let's say I'll click select. So let's say we can preview this one. This looks like a page I need for my Facebook. Let's say I want to make an opt-in page. Okay, now we have this new website with some generic name with a Unix timestamp. So I'm going to rename it to something normal, like my Facebook. Let's say my Facebook 1. And now I have a project, my Facebook 1. I'm going to click edit, and right now I have only one page there, which have some generic name of home. I can change that. Also, you have a status of this page, and which says up to date. It basically in 99% of the cases you will see that it is up to date. This button is here just to republish if you have to. Sometimes due to poor internet connection or data losses and losses of data packages during the editing, sometimes the page is not properly published after you finish the editing, and sometimes you just want to republish forcibly by clicking this button. We will cover these topics later. Normally it's good to know that you can do that, so if you have experienced some errors on the page or anything like that, you always have an option to forcibly publish this page or forcibly publish the whole website. Nice to know that you can insert the code whenever you want in the visual editor, but a cleaner way to insert some code that you don't want to appear in your visual editor is by clicking here. Clicking that gives you a code editing options that you can actually select the code, where to place it. Very useful for a certain codes like Google Analytics or similar codes that you want to keep outside of Visual Editor, just for it's for clarity. And you can always click and duplicate this page. By clicking duplicate, you can just clone the page. You can duplicate a single page, or you can duplicate the whole website. So you basically have a clone of this page, so you can rename it and continue editing from there. I'm going to delete this one. as you have noticed, you cannot delete the home page, because deleting the home page would delete the whole website. That's why you don't have this option. If you want to delete the home page, you have to go and delete the whole website. If you want to edit this, you can always preview your website by clicking here. You will get an HTML preview, which is a final result of our publishing, and you can always preview the website in some kind of like this. It's basically the same thing, so you can choose between these two. If you click edit, you will open the visual editor for this page. Because this is a Facebook page, you have all these Facebook publishing options. Okay, system recognized that this page is basically 520 pixels page and can be used as a Facebook, so automatically gives you a Facebook options. We'll come to this later. Right now this is just a basic interface introduction, so we will cover these topics later. You can always preview this page by clicking on HTML preview. Sometimes some things in the editor do not really match the HTML preview. Sometimes it's nice to know that you can always preview it in HTML to see really how it looks like. But editor is quite powerful, and at this stage you don't have to worry about discrepancies. Normally when you do something like this, it will be immediately noticeable in HTML, just like you can see that here. So in editor, website is smaller than its actual size in HTML. In the future, when technology and screen resolutions come a little bigger, we are probably going to allow the full-size editor. It's something that definitely we are going to do. Now, you can also refresh, and you will have to refresh this after certain operations. We are going to discuss that later. And you have a page settings here where you can set a page title, which appears in browser, page keywords, page descriptions for search engines, global settings of gradients, global settings of basically global page settings, background colors globally, background image, style of image, and settings like that. We are going to discuss this later. You also have advanced resources here where you can find something like HTML editor for a fine-tune on some text, free image editors. Maybe you will need some slideshow on jQuery or something like that, but you need, so you can use this code in your own customization or building in your own websites. We are going to discuss this in details later.